Well, good morning, everyone. Are you ready to explore another type of dance genre that I am going to discuss to you? Well, before that, I am John Carlo L. Sarsona, and today I will gonna discuss to you what is contemporary dance. So the main question here is, what is contemporary dance? Anyone? So, contemporary dance is a broad genre of performance dance that emerged in the mid 20th century and has since grown to become one of the most dominant dance forms. It draws on techniques from modern dance, postmodern dance, classical ballet, and other global dance forms. Unlike more structured styles like ballet, contemporary dance is often fluid, expressive, and open to interpretation. So it is not defined by a fixed set of steps but rather by the ability to explore movement and emotions, allowing dancers to connect deeply with music themes or abstract concepts. So in terms of contemporary dance, dili siya same with the other dance genre. It is because contemporary dance will allow the dancers to express in any form of dances. There is no fixed steps as long as the message is there or the content of the dance is there or how we were able to convey the certain or particular message through contemporary dance. So part of that, we will gonna discuss to you the different themes and contemporary dance. So contemporary dance often explores complex and meaningful themes such as number one, identity and self-expression. So what is it? Dancers are explore personal or cultural identity, gender, emotions, and life experiences. Movements may represent struggles, freedom, growth, or transformation. So, if you're able to dance a contemporary dance, and then if you wanted to choose a content or message that is more into a self-expression, make sure that your dance is, dapat ang content sa dance is makita or ma-visualize or ma-feel sa mga audiences. As long as in any terms, it could be in gender. For example, a story having an identity crisis or emotions. Part of it, we have feeling disappointments, anxieties, stress in life, and not just with the negative side, but also we could also share into the positive sides also. Natay mga family themes, friend themes, and anything, or even life experiences. So again, movements may represent the struggle, freedom, growth, or transformation, as what I have said earlier. So aside from the identity and self-expression, next slide is we do have more deep content or message when we dance contemporary dance. We do also have society and politics, number two. So performance may reflect social issues like inequality, mental health, war, freedom, or environmental concerns. Actually, nowadays, I have observed or witnessed a lot of performances of contemporary dance that they're always reflecting on the current issues. So here, most especially here in the Philippines, the government, even the government, the political aspect, inequality, human rights, as what of even the war, not just with the Philippines but also outside, freedom. It is one of the most common themes that I have seen so far. It also environmental concerns, also one of the most common themes. So part of that, it's not just about self-expression, but go beyond ang theme pod in terms of the contemporary dance. We do also tackle or take over with those outside than ourselves or internal. So it is sometimes used as a form of protest or social commentary. It seems like it's very creative. It's because we could convey what we felt or we could have a protest or as what I have said earlier, social commentary through contemporary dance. And with that good, we could shout our inner voice kung unsa gud ang atong ganahan na i-share or i-convey, not just in a certain current issue, but also with the totality that would inspire or take lesson or take advices to the other people. So aside from the society and politics, number three is contemporary dance also could scope with relationships and human connections. So what's with the relationships and human connections theme? So this is more on the themes of love, conflict, loss, and unity are commonly expressed. So in this aspect is that it is a neutrality of a positive side and a negative side. In terms of love, yes, we could convey love in terms of pure and sincere love, or even if love that is into a pessimistic aspect, even conflict, loss. There are different topics about loss, even with the or unity, are commonly expressed. Also, partner work and group choreography can reflect how people interact, connect, or isolate. So in this aspect, this will test kung unsa ang connection between the dancers. Usually, for example, in terms of love na theme, this will test how the connection between one people and one people dance each other. Because there are some contemporary dance good that even though the theme is love, but there is lacking with the connection. And that is one of the most important thing when we do or convey the certain message into a contemporary dance. You feel the message or how you were able to convey the message to the audience with connections. Not just I, myself as a performer to the audience, but me to my co-performer, you have also the connections. Because if you have the connections, the audience will feel and the audience will instantly visualize what you are conveying to through contemporary dance. So aside from relationships and human connection theme, next slide, is that it could tackle about the abstract and conceptual ideas. Number 4, abstract and conceptual ideas. So what is it? Not all contemporary pieces have clear narratives. Some explore abstract concepts like time, space, chaos, or silence. So this invites audience to interpret the piece into personal ways. However, this theme is quite into a challenging kind of siyang aspect of theme. It's because how you're able to convey your audiences into a creative way, even though na wala kay target the theme, it's just that how you're able to convince the audiences to reflect themselves kung unsa ilang ma-learn towards your performance. Sila mga audience would overthink, sila mga audience would reflect, o sila mga audience would give an insight good, would pop up an insight after viewing or seeing your performance. Wala say certain theme na love, it's just about silence. It's about space. How you're able to convey the theme space. And then how will the audience interpret it? There are a lot of aspects when we talk about space. And even time. Diba? They have different aspects of time. Also, it is the challenge on how you're able to convey your message and then how the audience will interpret it towards to you. And again, this invites the audiences to interpret the piece into personal ways. Yes, so this is more into the creative side or the creative aspects on handling theme towards the audiences dancing with our contemporary dance.